And every time I look at the piece of paper, every time in the morning when I'm about to start creating, and I do it every morning religiously, I take 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. But every time I look at it, I get a stomachache. I get so anxious. It's really impossible. And Danny, Dr. Friedman, was talking about that particular moment when that happens, the anxiety moment when it's being photographed too. So when that happens, what do I do? Just a piece of paper. What's important is inside us, not the surface where we are going to work on. Just a piece of, would you like to try it? You have a pad. What about taking a piece of paper? Let's see what happens. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Please. Hey, thank you. Great, very good shot. Right. Thank you. You've been waiting for this moment, I can see it. Thank you so much. Now it looks like we've been working like crazy for so long.